Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by ensuring the phone has at least 20% battery and important data backed up. This avoids interruptions. Once ready, power off the phone fully. Then press and hold volume up plus power, or Bixby on some models, simultaneously. Keep holding until the Samsung logo appears, then release. You'll land in the Android recovery menu. This step gets you into the low-level environment where cached system files reside, so you can safely clear them without wiping personal data. Once in recovery, use the volume up/down buttons to navigate and the power key to confirm selections. Highlight Wipe Cache Partition and press power to choose it. Confirm when prompted. The system will erase temporary system caches but keep your apps and data intact. This can take less than a minute, so be patient and do not power off. When you see the confirmation message or the menu returns, you've successfully removed stale system cache files that can cause slowdowns or app issues. After the wipe, choose Reboot System now so the phone restarts with fresh system cache. This often resolves sluggishness and minor errors. If the device enters a boot loop or behaves oddly, go back into recovery and repeat the wipe one more time, then reboot again. If problems persist, consider a factory reset as a last resort. Make sure you've backed up everything first. For persistent hardware-like failures, contact Samsung support or visit a service center for diagnostics.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.